25 points ako. Andoy, attacking. Getting a foul, not counted.
Kasi, you just proceed. Dapat kasi, parang,
7-1. Foul, 7-1.
Bola, uy, bola. Guys, bola eh. Pina-warm up dyan. Si ano, siya nagbato.
oh my God!
Rebound! 2 points! Oh my God! Kaya pala kumuha ng bagong bola at hindi nag-meeting. JC, attacking. JC, crossing over. Give it to Marion. Marion, pull up. Ayaw niya. Give it to Seriales. Wala amang gawa. Andoy. Pass break to Kyle. Oh my God. 2 points. Assist and 2 points. Assist from Andoy. Rebound from Andoy. And 2 points for Kyle. Jay. Sabi niya, buhati ko na kayo. Promise. Marion. 10 seconds shot clock. Calvin open again. Wala. Kaso rebounded by Jay. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, bubuhatin ni Jay yan. Tiwala ako kay Jay magbuhat. Andoy. Foul. Uy. Substitution.
Oh, game ako sa Rex. Game 2.
Inbound to Kyle. Kyle.
Niniklamo ako na.
Give it to Jong. Jong to Joseph Guerrero. Rebound na naman by Jones. Kaso sablay pa rin ang mukha. Ang tira niya. Calvin attacking. Calvin. Sumanasa. Good. Rebound by Philippine Hairline. $25 foul. Substitution. Rafael in. Guerrero out. Jay inbounding. Jay inbounding. Nako play. Not completed. Chico shot is not good. Jones with the rebound. Kyle running. 2 on 3. Attacking. 2 points. Is not good. Rebound by Jay. Tracy. Arlo attacking. Lamang by the numbers. Jay. Faking. Magkaribal. Wala. Ayaw na lang maglaban. Arlo. 10 second shot clock. Calvin again. Open. Calvin is open. Bang. 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 12-point lead na lang po. The trademark meltdown is online. Rafael fake. Di niya tinira, but the Philippine Hairline shot, wala pero put back by Arista E. JC, bring down the ball. 14-point lead. Calvin crossing over, giving it back to JC. Naghanap na papasahan. 10 second shot clock. Speed move. Traveling may kasama pang maleta. Substitution, taga-sulat, pangit sulat ni Nico.
Guide mo na lang, friend.
Substitution ulit. Paisa-isa kayo ah.
Sige, baka masitahin base.
Apat lang.
Kyle bringing down the ball. Making a play. Green. Jones attacking. 2 points, wala pa rin. Rebound by Arlo. Arlo with the rebound and bringing down the ball. Getting back the point guard position. Surveying the floor. Giving it to shot clock, 10 seconds. Marion for 3. Niluwa. Rebound by Jones. Kyle bringing down the ball. Kyle attacking. Kyle giving it to a walking Sakido. Rafael, jab step, sundot-sundot, tira, 2 points. But was not effective. 2 points by Rafael. 16-point game. 15 seconds remaining in shot clock. 1 second difference from shot clock to game clock. Arlo making decisions. Arlo giving it to Marion. Marion giving it back to Rafael. A turnover from Marion. 1 second, Zion rebounded. 16-point ball game. Kulang na lang po tayo ng 35 points para may pag-asa.
Bahala ka na daw dyan.
Nico binabol yung score sheet. Dahil pa yung bata eh. Baka absent. Pagka absent, pare na yan, pre. Huwag kang matakot. Kenny, airball, di ko papasahan yun. Numer, nakashoot, kala mo mananalo. Ano, shoot yan? Ha? Pero, takot lang nilang hindi pumunta dito.
Hindi mo masisira yung ano? Pag binigay nyo dito at pumasok sila, ano sila kalaban nyo? Isip pa, pre! Dali pa na ang buhay nyo. Sabihin nyo kayo magdidikta kung sino kalaban nyo. Pero kailangan maka 95 sila.
Anjoy.
Hindi ilang babantay, parang maka 95. Hindi, kaya maluwag lang yun.
Anjoy, 2-point shot. Airball by Promise. Got back by Anjoy. 10-second shot clock. RB, 3-point again. The heat is not. The heat is not expired. Ari. Titignan yung shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Give it to brother, give it to brother Jay. Turn over. Jay galit, si Jay galit. Sigawan mo. Sakakin mo kaya, pre. Ayun, sinapak yun. Anjoy, bringing down the ball. Mukhang hinihingal siya. Open mouth dribbling. Open mouth dribbling. Give it to RB. Walang bantay. Press again. Kapos. Nga lang. Buwasan yung apoy. Buwasan yung apoy. Pakilagyan ulit. Si Jay, gagong gupet. Hindi gupit yan. Wala lang kulay. Sorry. Jay, feeling ko sushoot yan pag tinrest mo. Ayaw niya. Arlo, ayaw rin. 10 seconds. Si Calvin, open again. Dribbling. Ay, si Jay, open. Wala. Rebound by Dario. Giving it to Andoy. Lalaroin ba niya yung clock? O susubukan niya pumasok ng playoff. Susubukan daw niya pumasok ng playoff. Kaso, muntikan na. Rafael, pwede ka mag-dribble. 10 second shot clock.
Pornographer natin.
Ayan na si Rafael. Wala. Rebound by Jones. Jones putback. Sumut na sa wakas. Oh my God. Marunong para mag-putback si Jones. Ay, nakapasablay. Arlo, ubusin daw niya yung oras para di siya manalo. JC, kay Aris, susubok daw siya. Follow through pag gilid, hindi sumut. JC, fishing expedition is complete for a 2-point. Enjoy. Bringing down the ball. 7 minutes remaining. Kailangan nyo makascore ng 95. RB attacking. Give it to Rafael kasi si Jones open. Sabi ni Jones. Timeout. White team. Sabi ni Jones. Manahimik ang AB. Nakakasot ako. Ito yung sawa ko. Gutom mo. Bigyan mo na. Bigyan mo na. Ayun na. Binibigyan na sa'yo. 21 point. Ay, ano to? 21 point lead by the black team. Interview tayo, interview. Jong, halika dito. Jong, halika dito. Interview tayo, interview. Ayaw. Interview mo sana, ano feeling ng 20 points dito? Seven minutes and 37 seconds remaining in the game. Arlo wasting the time, getting it back from kapatid. JC giving to Halvin na libre. Kaso wala. Tipping it to Kakampe. Foul. Kasi hindi mo kinuha. Foul by Andoy number 57. Free throws for Arlo Dio. 2 free throws. Shoot kaya yan.
Layo.
First free throw is good. Ay, hindi pala. Second free throw for Arlo. It's good. Very good daw. Kyle, attacking. Ang attacking ni Kyle, pang playoffs. May playoffs kami. 2 points. Wala. The ball remains in the black team. Bula. Inbound by RB to Jones. Jones, kung ako yan, titira ko na yan. Enjoy. Ayaw niya, shot clock. Shot clock, 7 seconds. Give it to Jones. Jones, jump shot. Jump shot, pasok. Ay, hindi. Tiwala pa naman ako sa'yo. Arlo. Arlo, attacking. 2-point ball game is true for Arlo. Kyle, wasting the time. Giving to RB. RB, giving it back to Kyle. Kyle, shot clock, 10 seconds. Si Rafael open, pero kay Jones na lang daw. Kaso nag-travel. Jump stop ka kasi.
Tiwala lang, hindi mo tiwala lang.
2-point shot for Jay is good. Assist by JC. Timeout, Tino. Black team. 6:07 timeout for black team. Samia, dribbling the ball. Malat kaya ulit. Mag-aalat kaya ulit si Samia.
Dapat ako tinatrash talk ko yung mga teammates ko.
Ikaw na nagugulasan ko rin. Kumusta ka man niya akin eh. Din. Fouling. 2 points. Ay, ang init. Jesus, wala bang electric fan?
Bulan na kanina, gusto nyo pa kaya. Paulan na nga eh.
Kyle bringing back Inbounding and getting back the ball. Give it on Joy. And Joy looking for Rafael. Ayaw niya. Crossing over. 10 seconds shot clock. Attack is not successful. Tapping the rebound to Arlo. Giving it to Calvin. Calvin. Layup is blocked. Block o foul? Ano yun? Ref. Foul. Number 94. 94 is foul. Number 0, Russell Westbrook. Russell Westbrook. Free throw. First free throw is not good.
Kaya mo yan, Calvin!
Second free throw is good for Calvin. Kyle bringing down the ball. 15-point ball game. Dario getting it back to Kyle. Andoy giving it back to Kyle. Stolen, wala, not successful, no steal. 8 second shot clock. Kay RB, 2 points, wala. Wala, shot clock na rin. Shot clock na rin. Shot clock, shot clock.
Team turnover yun. Tapi
Calvin. Kaya raw niya buhatin ng team. Kaso hindi. Pero na-rebound at kicker. Foul counted by JC. Madam, pwede mo na sabihin konti na lang. Last free throw for JC Bandalan. Free throw is good. 2-point play is complete by JC. 12-point lead. Aristain dribbling. Attacking. Giving it to Rafael. Rafael getting it to Sakido. That turnover is not there. Block. 2 points wala pa rin. Ten second shot clock. Attacking. Bonus ball to the black team. Turnover by Arlo. Getting a screen. Alistair attack. 2 points not good. Rebound by JC. Calvin, hinaharangan. Block. Calvin, libre. Sa testaw siya. Wala. Rebound by Jones. Kyle attacking. Foul. Is taken by Calvin. Timeout na naman?
Wide. Wala na sila timeout.
Wala na timeout ha. Kevin nag-stretching. Ernest and Kevin nag-stretching. Okay, guys.
Ako na nagkasabi, nag-meeting na.
9-8!
Black ball
9-8?
came from the meeting.
Ano kukunin si Nico? Kaso, autoban niya.
Kyle, crossing over. Attacking. Jong, turning, walang turnover pero may block si JC. Ball, nakarating kay Calvi na block rin. Block by Kyle. Atake by Kyle. Crossing over, jump shot, tapos rebound by JC. JC to Jay. Na walang C. Jay na walang C. Layup. Not good. JC to Jay na walang C. The layup was not converted. Sayang, pero may foul. Foul was committed by Sakido. 2 points for Jay no C. Jay no C missed his first free throw. Hindi, kaya niya. Kamagala lang. Second free throw is not good but rebounded by Philippine Airlines. Rebound courtesy by our sponsor, Philippine Airlines. RD giving it to Aristain. Aristain thinking about it but did not take the shot. But Sakido giving it to Jones. Jones turnover. What a sad turnover by Jones. But almost steal by Kyle. Na napunta sa swimming pool. Pahinginan sa pambola at pakuha ng bola. Pakuha ng bola. Deadpool, pakuha yung bola. Calvin is still open. Jab step, pass to Carlo. No assist, Sakido, rebound. Giving it to Jones. Jones giving it to RD. RD. 4 minutes at tayo, hindi nakaka-score. Shot clock, 10 seconds. RB attacking, siya na lang daw, bahala. Rebound by Jones. Jones tira ng 3, ayaw niya. Papasa daw niya kay Philippine Airline, but still not completed. 7 second shot clock. Jones. Boom! Boom! Ken, patingin yung bola sa pool. May bola sa pool. JC, turning it over. Jones with the steal. Kyle with the nothing. But step back, rebound by Philippine Airlines. Set play. Jones, 2 points. Pasok, assist by Jones. Rebound and assist by Jones. And 2 points by Jones. Na binubuhat ang team niya. Up. 3 ball goes to Kyle. RB hugging the ball. RB dribbling the ball. RB getting it to Kyle. 10 second shot clock and 1 minute remaining to our ball game. Jones, 2 points. Assist by Sakido. 20 na lang po ang kulang. 1 minute remaining. 3 points by Arlo. Not good. Jong, naku pa! Turnover, Jong. Sayang. Ahabol ka na, pre. Block by Kyle. Jones, dribbling the ball. Jones, gayahin mo si Arvin, tira ka ng 3. Ay, nako. 2-point layup is good. 75-55 is the score. 20-point ball game. Dribbling. Baka rin makakoaching pa sila. 2 points. Aris.
Let's go!
Ewan mo comment. Ang ganyan na yun.
Hey, bang! Tumira.
End of the ball game.
Basura sa kailangan nyo na lang mag 160 times win. Isa coaching. Wala na yun. Hindi. Kaya isa na mag 115 next year. 115 sila next year. Huwag maglalaro si Alvin. Actually, pag dineport sila Alvin, tanggal sila Alvin. Jones!
Best player of the game. Joe Cardoso with 22 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal, 1 block.
Hindi si Alvin.
Namang rebound sa points.
Turnover.
Wala
Bawat niya sa turnover.
masyado pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Ayan, tatlo na. Zoro. Nico, ban ka na. Ano yung pag-stats nito? Ano, puro bura? Ay,
Wala akong natanggap sa Gcash, pre. Wala akong natanggap. Asan yung Gcash?
Dikit, buti malaking lamaw.
Hindi mo nilagyan ng pangalan sa baba.
Protest yung
Bakit ang larong pangit mga pasa mo eh?
pinapatay ko kasi
Ang lalayo ng ano eh, long pass mo, apat nga lang long pass yung inaano mo. Ba't pinapatay mo yung bola eh, kayo naghahabol.
Kayo pa nag-uubos ng oras. Kayo pa nag-ubos ng oras, kayo nag-uubos.
Igulungiti mo nung nahan.
Eh, gusto ko 20 assist ako. Kevin, galit sa team. Kevin, pagmuray ng teammates niya.
Ganito kalayo.
Now warm-up time po natin, 10 minutes. Bago tayo mag-start, the second game.
Anong oras na?
9. Nahabol lang natin 20.
Anong 9:03? Ano pinagsasabi?
1903. Kasi puro tres na yung pasok na kawan yun.
umalis si Mendy, ang hirap na yun. dapat